Yo, YouTube, got another pickup. This is my first pickup from like one of these Chinese sites. This is from hiphopiop IOP. Shout out to them. Yeah, what I got here, they're both pairs of Thunder 4s 1-on-1. So I'm only gonna show you one. Added in some keychains into my order to get the free shipping. That's the cheapest way to get your free shipping. Add in some keychains. They gave me this as a free gift. If anyone wants it, I'll send it to you for free. Well, I'll give it to you for free, but you have to pay for the shipping, because, you know, I don't want to lose any money. But yeah, that's that. There, back, just white. Yeah, black beads. Yeah, so yeah, I should that out to you if you want it. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you one of them. There's the box. I'll do a comparison video with my authentic breads later. Let me just say, before I forget, shout out to all the subscribers. Yeah, and if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe and all that. But yeah, I'll be getting replica Gucci hat and scarves in the knit hats. If you search that on the Gucci site, you'll know what I mean. The matching scarf with that, they are 1-on-1. You won't, well, they're from my supplier, so yeah. They look exactly like the real ones. Not like, I don't know, I see people reviewing these Gucci hats and Gucci don't even make these hats. But yeah, let me just get into the shoes right now. So let me just take the top of the box off. So yeah, comes with that. That's the inside, it's red. It's got that there, both sides. Comes with the silver paper. Here's the shoes. Let me take them out. Let me just show you what's in the box. Silver paper. Retro card. You all seen this. I'm gonna try to do this real quick, this video. So yeah. Yeah, this thing. All in Chinese and that. And then, you lot all seen this before anyways, but I'll do it quick. The jump man on the bag and that. Sorry about that, guys. Someone came home, so it'll be looking pretty weird, me chatting to my phone. So yeah, let me get back into it. Obviously, the cement print right there on the box. This is the back of the box. The authentic ones aren't meant to have these stickers on. That, and that's not meant to be there either. So yeah, that's that. That's that over there. Now into the shoes, the main part. Okay, let's have a look at this. Focusing. Overall, yeah, I'm not gonna lie, they're pretty good. But they did come with a lot of flaws, both of them actually. But I've already fixed them, but I'll tell you where they were. It's got the popping out stars at the front. Nice there. Here's the bottom. Why is it not focusing? There's the bottom. Wings here. Air bubble. Here's white inside. Don't know if it's picking it up properly, but yeah. can see the white in there now. Sort of. Yeah, so wait, let me put it here first. Get the tongue out for you guys. The tongue sits quite high. By the way, I laced these so they look more authentic, but they come laced like this. This is the factory lace there, but you know how they're laced on this, on the first one there. Tongue's nice. Let me put it here. Tongue's nicely stitched. Yeah, what colour is it inside there? It's the yellow Jumpman inside. Upside down Air Jordan. And yeah, let me tell you the flaws. Basically, you see here, on here it had some of the black paint from right here, from on the wing there, on here, like some of it was just there, and like on almost all of the wings here, on both pairs. So what you do, also on one of them, underneath the Jumpman, they missed the white paint, and it was like paint under there. Underneath the leg there was white paint on the back tab. So yeah, let me show you the back tab. Actually, it doesn't sit that high. Try to focus. I'm not focusing for. It's not that high. Yeah, so other flaws. Just here, I don't know if you can see. It's gone over a bit. The black on the netting's gone over a bit. It's not that bad, but yeah. Yeah, those are the flaws. To get the black paint off, and on the back, get the white paint off, what you do is you get nail varnish remover. Yeah, I don't know your sister, your mum might have it. I took my sister's. And then you get a cotton bud, or if you're in America, a Q-tip. I think that's what you call it. You get that. Obviously, dip the Q-tip or cotton bud in the nail varnish remover, and then rub away the paint. And on the back here, on the Jumpman, you probably can't see it, but it's not painted on properly. Like, you can see the paintbrush marks, but I don't think you can see it on the camera. Maybe when this is uploaded on YouTube, try watch it in HD. But yeah, watch out for my next replica videos. I'm gonna compare these with them over there, those authentics there, with these, and Gucci hat and scarf review coming soon. So like and subscribe, comment. Also, yeah, it does come. Well, it does come with that, by the way. It is a bit messed up, as you can see. There's some scratch there. There's some scratch there. And yeah, what else was I gonna say? Something yeah, I don't know what I was gonna say, I forgot, but oh yeah, I remember now. If you want to see more authentic reviews, just comment and tell me, cause most of my stuff is authentic, literally everything, and I make a couple pickups sometimes. So yeah, just like, subscribe, and all that. Take care, peace.